What up? It's your girl Peach here. Today I'm going to review the Urban Hydration Honey line. I've gone ahead and listed the ingredients within these products. As we know, the first 5 ingredients that are listed are more concentrated within the product line. So I've gone ahead and listed some of the other ingredients below the arrow. Now these ingredients have very benefiting properties, such as the avocado oil helps to penetrate the hair shaft. It is a great moisturizer and it strengthens the hair. It's also lightweight and it's good for low porosity as well as high porosity hair. Argan oil, it moisturizes and conditions. It has anti-inflammatory properties for the scalp and it also helps with hair loss. The honey, it is a great humectant. It also helps with retaining moisture. It softens and stimulates hair growth and provides shine. The cranberry absinica seed oil is lightweight. It provides shine and moisture. And the castor oil, it's an antibacterial and antifungal ingredient. It combats split ends, it helps with breakage, and improves hair growth. Let's go hop in the shower. So I did pre-wrap my hair, and now I'm going in with this shampoo. I am pumping. I like to smell my product. I get a sweet scent. Smells pretty good. And I'm going to apply some shampoo and use my shampoo brush. Alright, so I want to make sure I get my scalp good. Rinse that out. Always got to go in twice. And I have taken that top off because it was a lot of pumping. I feel like you get way more product out. So I am shampooing that again. I got my sweet Cindy Lou Who hairstyle working here. That means it has to get lather if I'm able to do that. Rinse that out. I show here the deep conditioner. Now this deep conditioner, it's okay. I mean, it's not a lot. And so I have to put a lot in my hair. It's pretty thick coming out, y'all. But it's not a lot of product. I don't know. It's not heavy enough. Put it that way. Seems thick, but not that heavy. Alright, so I'm just applying that. And I'm going in detangle. I like to detangle with my deep conditioner. And I'm just going to go ahead and braid that up. I feel like braiding it up has a couple of advantages. I feel like it helps me to sort out my hair. Make sure I'm getting each section pretty good. And it's just a good practice, I think. But if you guys notice, you know, I have a lot of hair, so I always try and do what I can to make it more manageable. Now y'all see this right here? I have a piece left. This is the tip. Make sure you part your hair, okay? Use that rat tail comb, part it, so you don't do what I did. And then you end up having to redo the whole braid. So basically, I also like to braid my hair up because it fits better in this plastic cap. Okay, so I'm put this plastic cap on. I'm gonna sit underneath the dryer with this plastic cap on for about 30 minutes or so, just to let that penetrate in. Now we're back. I'm gonna take it down. This is what my hair is looking like. I feel like it looks pretty good, pretty moisturized. I'm gonna rinse that out. Going with the leave-in. Smells good. Smells similar to the other products that honey scent. I took that top off too. Wasn't so much pumping. It's just it needs to come off, y'all, just so I can get to the products. And it's not got a lot of slip. As I'm going through my hair, it just doesn't have that much slip. It's not bad. It just doesn't have that much slip. And I went ahead and I sectioned this off, just kind of pre-prepped it for my hairstyling, so you'll see a lot more sections in my head. I'm gonna go ahead and put this plastic cap back on because I want to seal in whatever moisture I'm getting from this leave-in. So we're just gonna focus on these two parts here. If y'all see me looking away, I'm looking at my mirror. These two parts, we're gonna focus on those. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to split this in half. I want to go ahead and just concentrate on the front first. And I almost failed to mention what I got here. Denman brush. Water bottle, warm water. Rat tail comb, you guys. And this one's a little bit better with the metal because it tends to give me a finer part. Also, I got some rubber bands. I got my beads here. And I'm just going to kind of wing this. I'm not really trying to do anything perfect. I just want to do something that's gonna last. All right, so I'm just gonna apply this to my base, or perimeter, I should say, all around. Sometimes you can use the comb, put a little bit on the comb, and that'll help you to kind of apply it better. All right, so you're gonna see me with this plastic cap still on the back of my head. I'm trying to keep that moisture on the parts that I'm not working with currently. And I'm just gonna make 2 Dutch braids on the side of my head. Take your beater, line the beads up how you want them to appear on your hair. Bead 1, bead 2, and bead 3. So I'm just going to take the hair, apply a little bit of gel just to make sure that they stay together a little better. Put the hair in the beater. Okay, and you want to hold it and get it as close as you can to the bottom because that's the hole that it's going through. And you want to make sure that it actually can fit in the hole. And then when you get about like right here, okay, as you are getting the hair to be covered, okay, what you want to do, pull that through, okay, and as you can tell, it's going to be looped around. So you guys see that loop, and have it meet together. Take my little rubber band here, tie it around. Gel on there. Kind of make sure that this hair is kind of wrapping around. And then just pull the beads down. Alright, so we're going to get started with this back. Now we're really going to see what can this gel do. I'm a little excited and a little nervous at the same time. Alright, so I'm probably take a little bit smaller section. Some of this gel, like I said, honey smell. Take about this much, and it's got some weight to it, so I'm hoping that it does some things. Okay. Again, living near this street, it's great for sunlight, but horrible at night when people are driving through. Okay, so. It don't look like it's actually curling. Well, maybe I spoke too soon. See something here. Check this little back area out. A little bit here on the nape. It seems to be doing something. It's not really clumping like I want it to. I mean, it doesn't look bad, okay? It's just not clumping like I want it to. I'm gonna apply some more and see if that helps. And kind of do a little bit of the shingling action. Because my fear is if it's not enough clumping, it'll be curls that's kind of one big poof, you know? Not really going for that. Now I will say it's not tangled. I mean, I know I detangled it, but it feels pretty soft. So I think the product did what they were supposed to do. It doesn't feel dry. Y'all hear some more background noise. It may be my husband. He is watching TV in the other room. So, I apologize in advance. I don't know, y'all. It's kind of looking like one of those soft hold. It's kind of looking like one of those soft hold gels. I'm not really sure about that because I never like when they say soft hold gel. Did it say that? It say Laid and Slayed Pro Gel. Say no to flaking and tagginess. I'm thinking no. I'm gonna say no to those things, but I'm also gonna say no to a soft hold gel. So it doesn't say, y'all, if this is a soft hold gel or not. I'm gonna continue. But I'm not really getting a lot of clumpage, okay? I'm not getting a lot of that. And that's something that's concerning me. So, just gonna continue to apply. Okay, so I went ahead, I continued to shingle my hair and apply the gel to the rest of my hair. All of the backside of my head was covered with the gel. But like I was saying before, this right here is not really working. So shingling I thought would be my better choice and better method of doing this. But also, you guys, I'm sorry to say I lost some of my footage. So in a minute you're just gonna see me jump from styling straight into diffusing. Alright, let's continue to watch the video. So from here, I think I'm just going to take it. I'll take some of this leave-in out. I'm just going to twirl this, okay? Not very tight, just kind of twirl it around.
Two hours later.
Okay, I'm back. Now, my hair is about, I would say 85% dry this time. And I would say that it came out pretty good. I think it came out pretty good. I don't feel like it clumped my curls together very well. Also, as I'm doing this, a couple of things. It may be a little foggy in here because I blow dried my hair. I sat underneath the dryer for about 30 minutes and then I blow dried the rest for about another 20 minutes. Now here's the problem. When I'm blow drying my hair, you know, with the oils and things in it, sometimes it causes it to be smoky. So y'all might get a smoky look on this camera. I don't know if y'all can tell. But basically that might also stop you from being able to see. My hair is looking a little dry. It doesn't look very shiny with this product. My husband said it looks thirsty. So he said, you know, the curls aren't as defined, that type of thing. So that's something that I'm missing with this product. But I don't think it came out looking bad, okay, you guys? The only thing I don't like is as I'm rubbing it, I do notice that I'm starting to get a few flakes here on my shirt, okay? Not really bad, but it is there. And it could be too because of how I applied the leave-in. You know, I usually go a little ham on my leave-in, a little ham on my gel. So those things will, you know, cause flaking. I did say on here that Laid and Slayed Pro Gel say no to say no to flaking and tagginess. So that's what it said, but it's giving me a little flakes. Now, I'll have to see how it goes throughout the week because usually if it's flaking now, it'll flake later and even more so. But back to what my husband said. All right. I'll give him that. It's not very shiny looking. That's why I'm going to use this. My pink glosser. I'm going to spray a little bit of this on it. See if that helps. I mean, I feel like what he's looking at, to be honest, is more of the definition. It's not as defined as I would like it to be, but it's not bad. I think I could probably get maybe 3 days out of it. I'm gonna push it for a week because I don't want to do my hair again. But I think I can get about 3 days. Let me go ahead and show you guys the 360. And can y'all tell that I sprayed it? I can tell. It looks like I sprayed it. So it looks like it's got a little bit more shine to it. But let me go ahead and give you guys the 360. Thanks for watching. Bye.